Welcome back. We have for now our bonus video and a summary for this section. Here in our bonus video, I'm talking a little bit more about tuples. We start here with our tuple A. Let's see here, A is equal to 1, 2, let's make here 7, 5, and 3. Here I'm going to show you how we have as well nested tuples. So we can make nested tuple inside our tuple. Here our nested tuple is take place number. We take here number 2 is 1 or 0, 1, 2. It's place number 2. Here we go to print C. We hit run. We got our nested tuple here. So tuples is quite like list, but as I told you, like it's immutable list. Here, if I want to sort my tuple, we take here sorted C, and we hit run. We got here our tuple sorted 3, 5, 7. So if you want to take like minimum, min C, we take 3, and the maximum of C is like 7. So it's quite similar to the list. But we can't do that like in A because like we have nested tuple inside our tuple. So we can't do that. So let's move on to talk about summary. Here in our summary, we want to make two summations and they are related to each other. So the result from the first summation will affect the result with our next summation. Let's make here two lists. The first I want to call it n, and it has like a value. Let's take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, and 50. And our next list I will call it L, and it takes like the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here we want to make two summations. So I'm gonna call our first one S1 equal to 0 and S2 equal to 0, because we want like variables equal to 0 to make summation. If you're not quite sure what I'm talking about, so you should watch back our video about summations. So we start with our first summation. We write for A in N. We write first one, S1. We make it S1 is equal to, let's make it I power 2. And here we never forget this one here, plus equal. And for our next one, for J in our list L, and we make here S2 plus equal 1 divided by 1 multiplied by J, or let's make it like J minus 1 multiplied by S1. So here our second summation is very related to our first summation. And we print here, print, we take F string, S1. I want it like a little bit more compact. And here we take a little bit space. Here I'm gonna in the next section I'm gonna talk a little bit about these ones here. It's like tab, we make space between two solutions. S2 here G, and we hit run. We got here our results. Our first summation S1 is equal to 2655, and our second summation is equal to minus 18,582.4. So these two, if I change like our first summation, that will affect our second summation. Here we got 75, and the other one minus 500, 22.408. So if I make it like here, multiply by half, yes, we got this result here. So we saw these two are related to each other. And that was all for this section. It was really easy. See you in the next section.